Today we're going to make a lovely spaghetti bolognese with meatballs. This one's one of my favourite recipes, so let's get cooking. So we're going to start off with a brown onion. I like to dice this brown onion up. Let's just say my husband is a much better cutter than I am. Next we've got 5 garlic cloves. We're going to crush those and cut them up. Then we're going to use half of a zucchini. You can dice that however you like. Then we've got mushrooms. I'm not sure how much I used. I think I used about 6 mushrooms, but just put in as many as you want. Next up we have a capsicum. We used half a capsicum. Then let's put some olive oil in the pan. Today we're cooking some pork and beef meatballs. We've just got those from Coles. So I'm just browning the onion up, then I've added the mushrooms in and then the zucchini, and we're just cooking that through. Next up, add your capsicum. Now we're going to put some olive oil in the pan and we're going to add our meatballs in. These ones were just from Coles, just our local supermarket, super easy and convenient for our little busy family. So we're just going to brown those up. They don't have to be cooked fully through because we're going to add the rest of the veggies, and then we're going to add some Italian herbs. And here we're going to add in half a jar of the starter. So I'm using spaghetti pasta. I just want you to cook this as per your instructions on this pasta packet. Here we go. Here's a bolognese sauce bubbling away. And this was just a little add-in that I did. We don't normally test our pasta that way, but I just thought it'd be pretty funny. So I've just added the spaghetti to our sauce and I'm mixing it through, and then it's ready to be served up. I hope you guys enjoyed our recipe, and let us know in the comments if you make it and how it turned out. Thanks guys, bye.